Good morning, YouTube. It's Victoria. Today is day 3 of Christmas looks. We have to kind of switch out the days, so tomorrow will be the surprise color, but today we're going to do more of like a hot cocoa type look, carved out and everything. So we're going to go right into it. I just went ahead and washed my face using my PMD Pro and moisturized. So the primer that we're going to be using is the Tom Ford Illuminating Primer. All right, it is a gorgeous primer. You just need a literally that small amount. Okay, and then using our slanted brush, I'm gonna go ahead and start putting it all over our face. Next up, I have I did not sleep very well at all last night, so we're going to be using the Becca under eye. Going to be using the It Cosmetics, again, that airbrush concealer brush. Okay, so now in the areas that we didn't really cover, or that we did, we're going to do this. It seems kind of ass backwards, but I'm going to show you what I'm doing here. The brush that I'm going to use is the Ion Beauty. Okay, but the way that it is, it's tapered on both sides. Okay, we're going to be using the Tom Ford Tinted Glow Tinted Moisturizer in Cool Dune. This is my new bottle. That's all you need, because a little bit literally goes a long way. And so now around those areas that we just corrected, we're going to pat on top as to not to disturb the correctors in the bottom, and then we're going to sweep everywhere else. Okay, and then we're going to get our beauty blender and start blending that in. All right, and then with this, we're gonna do, we're not gonna set this yet, okay? So we're gonna go straight into the eyes first to put this on, to give this time to work. Next, I'll have our Hourglass veil with Sigma Kabuki brush. Go ahead and just put that on there. We're not going to use the NARS underneath. Okay, so as that's setting, we're also going to do the same for our eyebrows. And we're going to be using the Precisely My Brow again. This is color 4 from Benefit Cosmetics. Both brows are done. Why does this one look a little weird? All right, both brows are done. Just gotta brush them. We're gonna be using the Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette, and we are going to go ahead first with milk chocolate and then semi-sweet to kind of give us that depth in our transition and contour. The semi-sweet. And then we're going to go ahead, but more with this plum, this cherry cordial, go right into this socket here. Okay, and so now what we're going to do is we're going to take our Born This Way concealer. Let's put a little bit on your hand. Now I have a Terrina Tarantino. It's a flat brush. Okay, it's a liner brush. However, I find that this is very good for carving out the eye. And do the same with the other eye. And don't worry if you go up too high, you can still retouch with the with your brush. Okay. So now that that is set, we're gonna go in with some marzipan. Okay. Because I'm gonna do something. And pat it in. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and take our finger brush again. Go back in there. Okay, so you see what it did? It kind of opened it up with the eye. And then taking finger brush, we're going to be using Candied Violet and Black Forest Truffle. So we're going to go ahead with the Black Forest Truffle first. There is definitely shimmer. And we're going to smoke it out. And then we're going to go into the Candied Violet and just kind of blend it out. Okay, so now we're going to take our little corner brush here, JH39. We're going to use this Champagne Truffle to brighten up the corners of our eyes. Okay, and then we're going to take our Marc Jacobs. These are the sequins in Gleam Girl. Okay. You're going to use your finger. We're going to go right in that center. Again, with our Tom Ford, we're going to line the entire eye, just like yesterday. But we're going to go a little bit thinner. Thinner in the front and then wingy thick in the in the rear. Okay, and then we're going to go in with our Becca Bang. Okay. And then for the face, or the rest of the face, we're going to be using the Kenia Ontiveros Beauty. This is the Blush and Shine Kit. We're going to go really light, like legit, just maybe a little bit of blush, not even contour. Maybe a little bit of XOXO. Like I said, real light. And then we're going to take our Japanese brush and we're going to go into Shine. Okay. One of the last things we're going to do is we're going to use the Marc Jacobs blurring powder again, the Accomplished powder. Press it into the forehead. Roll it onto the rest of the face. And as far as lip, we're going to be using the Kissable liquid lipstick from Kokie Cosmetics. It is called Henna. Especially when you're wearing a mask, you want to have some sort of color stay to it. Make sure to set your face. And you're done. Here's today's look. It's hot cocoa type with the carved out eyes and some shimmer. All right. Thank you. You have a good rest of your day.